Welcome back, guys. Matthew and Dad, we're going to be doing a new experiment. And as you see, Matthew's already started with the experiment. So we're going to be blowing up a balloon with gas. So for this experiment, we're going to need water, balloon, sodium carbonate, or yeah. And no, you don't need that. And we're going to need some citric acid. So let's do, the first step was just to add water to the test tube, which we already did. And then we're going to add a big scoop of baking soda. You have your big scoop here.
The next step is to run.
And the next step is for Matthew to run, like he typically does. So, you know, I'll keep doing this. So we're gonna add one big scoop of baking soda. Let's drop it in there, nice and carefully. Done. Now,
make sure to watch the car.
Yeah, our first video.
Yeah, this is the first experiment.
Yep. And now we're gonna add some citric acid to the balloon. You can help me here?
My step is over.
Here, hold it like this. Like, see how I'm holding it right there? Okay, cool. Hold it like that. And then I'm going to pour 3 scoops of this in there. That is 1. That is 2. And that is 3. Okay, perfect. So I'll just put these to the side. Thank you, sir. Now we're going to have to put this over our test tube here. Now, we have to be careful with this thing. Unfortunately, the first one did rip, so we have to be very careful with this one. This is our last balloon, guys. So it's on there now. Let me make sure that it's fully threaded here, because oh no, I don't want it to go just yet, because that's when the magic happens. Whenever both powders mix together, the baking soda with the citric acid, that's when something magical happens, and we're about to see it right now. Matthew's gonna do the honors. No, you're not. You're going to come and do it. All right, you ready? Come on. Go for it. Lift up the balloon. Oh, go for it. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's happening? What's happening? Something. I see some bubbling happening. Let me hold it. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. It's filling up all on its own.
Oh, no.
It's filling up with gas. Let me hold it right there just in case. Look at that. It's filling up all by itself with both the citric acid and the sodium carbonate or baking soda. I wonder how much it's going to fill, huh? I don't know how much it's going to fill. Because look, everything's still bubbling in there. Look, you guys can see that. Everything is still bubbling. And Matthew's running away, leaving me in the danger zone. It's still filling up. It's going up very slowly. Look, come here, check it out. Just leave that there, dude. You can feel it. You can slightly feel it. It's filling up slowly. Bird. Do you feel that? Look, as you can see, guys, the chemical reaction made it so that gas comes up and it fills up the balloon. And Matthew's going to shoot it with the dart. Why? Go for it. See what happens. Probably nothing. Oh, I'm just waiting for something to happen. You didn't even shoot it. That's so far. You're going to end up hitting me. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Very simple experiment. This is a blow up a balloon with gas, and you know, just very simple ingredients, very easy to do. Matthew had fun with it, and even though he ran most of the time, and now he's still having fun with it. You just got to be careful with the balloons because these are very fragile. This one popped ripped from the top very easily. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked. Please leave a like and follow for more. Matthew, say bye.